Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Good morning and welcome back. Yes, it is welcome back because it is still on Sunday, August 10th, 2025. Thus, you're seeing the same shirt that I had on in the video that I did earlier, where I showcased Nellie, who has since changed because she said, I'm not going on a video with the same outfit on again. Sorry, Ellen, change me. So, anyhow. Today's video is an episode of what had happened was, what had happened was my good friend Laura, Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, last night was hosting Hooker versus Hooker. And if you have not watched the July reveal of Hooker versus Hooker, you must go watch it. It was truly incredible. It was an incredible showcase of international creativity and talent. It was, I would say it was one of the best reveals, if not the best reveal, for Hooker versus Hooker, which will be returning again in 2026. They're taking a short hiatus. But so last evening, I mentioned to Laura, who I'm collaborating with on the Cake Off Challenge 2025, to mention it again because, time is ticking. So she did, and then she put a little spin on it. Okay, so originally the concept was both Laura and I had received a cake of yarn, actually received the same exact cake of sheepskis, a whirligig, and a mystery box from Crystal a Bag a Day. And, she had saw it when I unboxed it on my channel. She says, I got the same yarn and the mystery box. How about you make a project and I'll make a project and we'll compare. It's kind of like a challenge between the both of us, but it was her brainchild to open it up to our subscribers and make it a fun challenge for everyone to join in on. And that's kind of how it started. You would join in and use an entire cake of yarn, as we are going to do. Our cakes of yarn have 1,000 meters and 1,093 yards. The concept being you use the entire cake of yarn. So last night, Laura said, some may not have a cake of yarn, some of our subscribers, and she wanted everybody to be able to join in on the challenge. It's still not too late to join. There's still 3 weeks left to complete your project. She said you can make your own cake of yarn, as long as you make your cake of yarn in the parameters of 1,000 to 1,100 yards. So if you think, what is 1,000 to 1,100 yards if you create your own cake? So many of us have the big twist. So 2 big twist value solids and a print comes out to 1,007 yards. So you could take 3 skeins of yarn and make a cake. She said you can bake your own cake and join the challenge. So that is what had happened was Laura put a little twist into the challenge. You can make your own cake. You can cook up whatever kind of cake you want, whatever color you want. And yeah, so you could take some value yarn. These 3 skeins of yarn equal 1,007 yards. Perfect to make your own cake of yarn and join in on the challenge. And 21 days is plenty of time to make a creation with 3 skeins of yarn. And that's what had happened was. So you can join in on the challenge. Send me your picture to my Gmail account, which is mycrochetchannel@gmail.com by midnight, August 31st. I will be entering the names into a random name picker wheel to win some yarn. It's a gift from me, the yarn. Laura's adding a gift of patterns from Ravelry into those who join the challenge. So you're gonna win, but there's really no, it's not a contest of who has the best project. It's just, if you join in on the challenge, you get a chance to win some beautiful yarn and some patterns, a pattern to use with that yarn. Now, the gift away, the yarn is from me. I'm offering it to any of our subscribers in the United States because the cost of shipping is insane. But it's open to everyone. So if you're not in the United States or you don't have a US mailing address, we'll work it out. It'll be a gift card to, you know, whether it's the Wool Warehouse or something, where you can get some yarn. Yeah, so basically that's what had happened was Laura put a little twist. This is her challenge. This was her brainchild. I'm just along for the ride and the fun. And we want everyone, we want you to join in on it. So that's it. The reveal will be on Laura's channel, Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, on, I believe it's September 6th. I'm not sure what time she's going to schedule it. We'll be live showing our projects. If you send a picture, Laura will be creating the slideshow. So send me your pictures. I will be adding your name to the random wheel picker for the gift. And Laura will be making the slideshow to showcase everyone that's joined in the challenge, your beautiful creations. Yeah, so that's it. What had happened was, so also what had happened was last night while I was watching Hooker versus Hooker, and you must go watch it. I'm telling you, it was incredible. I want to say it was the best reveal. It was epic. Yeah, incredible talent was showcased last night. So while I was watching all that incredible talent, what had happened was I was busy hooking away and laughing and enjoying. And yeah, you see where this stitch marker is? I missed a stitch. So when I got to the end of the granny where you're ready to go back to the virus, my count was off. So what had happened was Ellen's gonna have to frog back all of that. All of these granny, well, it's only 6 rows. But that's what had happened was last night on Hooker versus Hooker. Okay, so this is, you know, a little wrench into the challenge, but it's a good one because, you know, those that may not have a cake of yarn, bake your own cake and join the challenge. We still have 3 weeks. And we look forward to having a good fun night once again on Laura at Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming's channel. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye now.